Hello there, teacher. I'm Diana Zambrano, and this is my ID card. And from today's video, I'm going to talk about the parts of a journal article. In this part, we need to investigate about procrastination. Here, the first part of a journal or an article, investigation article, is the preliminary section. What does contain a preliminary section? It contains the title of the article, that is this, the effect of procrastination on academic achievement, a meta-analysis study. Also contains the name of the author, also the university that he studied, and the country. The next part of a journal article, an investigation article, is the abstract section. The abstract section is a brief summary about what the article contains, about the problem, about the method that the author is going to use, about the problem. All of that is in the abstract section. Then we have the introduction section. We need to understand that the abstract and introduction is not the same. Introduction, as its name is saying, gives a little bit introduction about the topic, explain about the topic, also sets the context of the investigation. Also, in the introduction has the research question. Here, we can go a little bit. Here is the research question. Why the author wants to investigate about this? The research question is, what is the effect level of procrastination on academic achievement? So the introduction contains a little bit introduction of a topic about procrastination, the methods, also the problem, and also the research questions. Now we have the method. To make an investigation, every author has a method to use and a tool, a research tool. In this occasion, the author used a meta-analytic approach. Here, even the author explains what is this about. What is a meta-analysis? It says it can be defined as a method to combine the results obtained from multiple studies. So the author is going to do is just to review or restudy something that is studied already. So that's why he used this meta-analysis. Now, to do an investigation, we need to connect data. So here is the data collection from the author. Also a little analysis that is shown through tables, through graphics. Here we have a graphic. Here's another table. And the findings. Well, the author, he used the word findings, but these are the results. What the author find through the investigation and about the method that he used. What did he find? These are, here in this part, he put the results. What did he find? The author can also combine the results through tables, through graphics, to make the reader more easy to understand. Here's another table. There's another table. The author can use as many tables as the author needs to combine the results. Now we have the next part of the article, that is the discussions. Where discussions is a crucial part of the article, because in this section, the author or the authors are gathered together to analyze the results obtained. The results that obtained from all the investigation. And now, from the last to the last, we have the conclusions. What are the conclusions? The conclusions should be in the last part of the article. The conclusions are just a brief summary from all the investigation of the article, the data collect, the method that they use. It's a conclusion about the whole article. Now, in some articles, the author or the authors put some suggestions about how future investigators or future studies can be more upgraded, because the study that the person used is not just enough. And also, studies also have limitation. Not all is perfect. Limitation points out the weak points about the article. It shows that not the article came out perfect as they thought. So this is a little warning to the reader to see that some things can modify the investigation. So this is our delimitation section. And one of the most important parts are the references. What are the references about? Well, the references, it's about the authors that the author of the investigation used to support the study. If he used another thoughts, another words of another author, should be cited in references in AP 7 edition. Here are all the authors that he used for his investigation. Also, the references should be in alphabetic order from A. In this occasion, he has to Y. So, dear teacher, here was my explanation about the parts of a journal article about the procrastination.